If A kidnapped B, can police arrest A without warrant? The answer is yes. Let's see how. For this, we will need to understand what is cognizable. Cognizable means capable of being known, or we can say that police can take action on its own. Now we will see the difference between cognizable and non-cognizable offense. Cognizable, according to section 2G of BNSS, cognizable where police can arrest without warrant, and according to 2O of BNSS Act, in which police has no authority to arrest without warrant. Now, second point is seriousness of the offense. Cognizable offense are generally of serious nature like murder, rape, and non-cognizable offense are of less serious nature like we can say cheating or we can say defamation. Now we will see in cognizable offense FIR is registered and in non-cognizable offense NCR is registered. Now of the BNSS Act, in which it is given the classification of the cognizable and non-cognizable in column 4 of the schedule 1. Now we will see the offense other than BNS Act, where we can classify it as according if the punishment of the offense is more than 3 years, then the offense will be cognizable offense, and if the punishment of the offense is less than 3 years, then it will be considered as non-cognizable offense. Thank you.